A young man, determined to achieve success, sat in a quiet village at the foot of the Himalayas. His mind was clouded with worry, as no matter how hard he tried, his goals seemed distant. Hearing about Gautam Buddha, who was meditating nearby, he decided to seek advice. The young man approached Buddha and, bowing respectfully, asked, "Master, how can I achieve my goals faster? I work tirelessly, yet I make little progress." Buddha opened his eyes and smiled gently, recognizing the impatience in the young man's heart. Buddha invited the young man to sit beside a small stream flowing nearby. Pointing at the water, Buddha said, "You see how this river flows? It moves steadily, carving its path through the rocks, never in haste, but it reaches the ocean." The young man stared at the flowing water, confused. "But Master, what does a river have to do with achieving my goals?" Buddha continued, "Let me tell you a story. There was once a great archer. He could hit his target from miles away. When asked how he became so skilled, the archer replied, 'I do not aim to hit my target immediately. I focus on becoming better with each arrow. I trust the process, and success follows.'" The young man began to understand. "So, you mean I should focus on the journey, not just the destination?" Buddha nodded. "Yes, if you rush toward your goals with impatience, like a river trying to flood its way forward, you will lose focus and direction. Just as the archer does not rush, and the river flows steadily, so too must you focus on each moment, trusting that the end will come naturally." The young man's heart filled with newfound understanding. "So I need to be patient and trust the process?" Buddha then spoke of mindfulness. A mind scattered in many directions cannot achieve its goal. You must train your mind to focus, just as the archer trains his eye. Through meditation, mindfulness, and daily discipline, your mind will become sharp and your goals will draw closer. The young man promised to meditate daily and practice mindfulness to sharpen his focus. Weeks later, the young man returned to Buddha with joy in his heart. "Master, I followed your teachings, and now I feel my goals are within reach. I am not rushing, but I trust the process and focus on each step." Buddha smiled warmly and replied, "When you let go of impatience and focus on the journey, success will come naturally." As the young man walked away, Buddha's words echoed in his mind. To achieve your goals fast, do not rush. Flow like the river, focus like the archer, and let patience be your guide. In stillness, you will find speed.